Welcome to Small Talk Daily for Thursday, May 28th, 2009. This morning I thought I'd take a look at some of the small improvements that are coming to the next release of VisualWorks, and in turn many of these improvements are coming to Object Studio as well, because if they involve the browser or some of the other tools, they automatically switch over between the two tool sets. So with that in mind, let's take a look at some of the simple things here in the launcher and workspace. For instance, here's an icon for opening a new workspace. This is a new icon. It's a little alpha blending that makes this thing look a little cooler. And the same thing is going on down here in the workspace. Another thing that's interesting is if I do this, let's generate an exception. And interestingly enough, just look at the little graphic here on the debug button here. This is kind of an interesting thing. Again, just a presentation thing, not a change in any behavior, but it looks nicer. So when you go into the tools, you see that some of the buttons have been improved. So that's just a general thing. Now let's go into the browser, and you see the same kind of behavior. Over here you see these icons have been improved. You look at this. This is an icon for a bundle. You open that up. Here's an icon for a package. And you can see here the little indication that there's no comment, the little exclamation mark on that, and you see it down here again. And over here, you see this is grayed out that tells you that there are accessing methods for this class, but those accessing methods are not in this package. So if I go down here, you see the same thing, and in here you see the difference. This tells me there are 4 methods in comparing, and they're all part of this package. So you see the difference. Methods are listed, but they're not part of this package. Down here, methods in the package tells you how many of them. And then of course these little indicators here tell you that this is implementing an override of an inherited method, and the same thing down here. So you can see that there are small graphical improvements throughout the product in various places. And again, this crosses over between VisualWorks and Object Studio because of course the browser is shared between the two products. So that's some of the small things that are coming in the next release. Over the summer I'll be going through some of the other things as they make sense and as they come upon us in the new builds. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Small Talk.